Hello, let's do Wordle number 1143 for Monday, August 5th. And I asked for two starting words related to a geography theme, and Ball2536 suggested world and earth. Ooh, we start with an E, that's interesting. We could have another E also. I'm thinking EN seems to be a good option. But then again, I need to think of a word. Everything I think of has gray letters in it, like enact. I'm not even sure what else. Maybe not en then. I thought of essay, but there's no a. Empty uses the t. What are we doing here? This is tough. Why is this so hard? Epic somehow? Not really. I mean, I could guess epics if I'm desperate. But then I might as well use the filler because epics is not going to be an answer because they're all the words ending in s were basically removed, with some exceptions. If you want more info about that, I do have a pinned video on TikTok. It's not on YouTube. Anyway, e-sign. I've been doing some e-signing lately. Seems like I always do e-signing for something or another. Evict, but there's no T. So far, e-sign is the only thing I found. I don't even know if it would accept it, but I doubt it would be an answer. Effect. So many words use T. Also, effect is 6 letters long. That's kind of an issue. How about EX? Exist. I really want to use that T. X. EXI maybe. Xing. Like you're Xing out. Options. Excel, no L. Come on, give me something. How is this so limited? I am surprised. How about EQU? Equip. I finally found something. Equip. Just a U. Okay. Do we start with EU? Like, is that a thing? I'm doubtful. I'm doubtful. Otherwise, the U goes here. Words don't end in U in Wordle. Ennui, can't do it. What would we end it? Like an N? An M? Does N look at all good? What are we doing here? Did I rule out EU too quickly? I'm gonna look at EU again, because I can't think of anything. Eugene. Like what starts with EU? I can't think of anything. Probably was right to rule it out. This is why I don't like the do start or vowel heavy starts in general, because if you just have the vowels, it doesn't really help. I know exactly what vowels are in this word, but I still can't do it. Maybe it ends in UE. Ensue. Maybe it's ensue. Okay, thank you. Finally. Yeah, I mentioned the repeated E, but then once we got the U, I didn't think we needed to repeat the E, but yeah, ensue makes sense. I bet even after Earth, I was down to very few options. Let's consult the Wordle bot and see. So we've got world and I forget already. Earth. We just got this E. So we were down to 7 words. Ecking, MC. Ooh, MC is fun. Enemy, ennui, which I did think of, but I ruled it out at that point. Ensue was our answer. Equip, I thought of, and then eyeing. Yeah, that's not much. It actually really likes eyeing and enemy. It says you'll get the answer after that. It does not like equip, and I'm not surprised. No, it's interesting. So eyeing, why does that get the answer? Well, because eyeing and ecking are 2 of the E-ing words. If you want to be able to distinguish between them, you kind of have to guess one of them. I guess enemy does as well. Because the Y gets you the eyeing, the yellow Y. I wonder how eyeing gets you MC. Getting that Y will also tell you about enemy. Eyeing. Yeah, that IN gets you on we. And Sue gets, you have the N, but not the I. Equip, you have the I. but no N. And then MC is that you don't get anything. Oh, that's interesting. It really does break it all down. That's pretty neat. All right, well, I went with equip, and I got the E, and the U was yellow. So it was only NSU after that. Okay. Other than MBus and MUs. MUs? Anyway, all right. So it would have done eyeing and gotten a similar result because we would have had that and it would be NSU. All right. Well, let's look at its go. It likes Saleh as its starting word. I know that the New York Times Wordle bot prefers something else, but it's not as good. Saleh is better. So what was our answer? NSU? So we just get the E. So it goes with drone for the E. We get the green E at the end and a yellow N. And then it goes with hence or niche or hinge. Let's just take the top one, hence. So we get another E and still have that N yellow. And I must have messed up with NSU. Oh, because we needed that S. Okay, that's an invalid solve because we needed the S. My bad. All right, so we do purse. That's interesting. So we actually get the U yellow there. And now it's only in NSU or issue. So 50-50 chance to get in 3 or 4. Very nice. This game is very good at, or this bot's very good at hard mode compared to most other bots. All right. Well, let's spin the wheel of themes here and see what tomorrow brings us. Shark Tank, the TV show, suggested by Graveyard63. So just leave a comment with 2 starting words related to Shark Tank in some way. And of course, if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.